Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are fine and safe at home. Welcome to Maths Online class of grade 9. In the last class, we completed exercise 7.2 in the triangles chapter. But today we are going to revise your previous chapters for half yearly exam, and we will stop triangles and we will solve rest of the portion of triangles after the half yearly exam. Okay, so today we are going to revise from polynomials chapter. Let's start. Today we will revise from the first. What do you mean by polynomial? You know, polynomials are algebraic expression that consist of terms in the form ax to the power n. At least one term, two term, like that. Between that, plus, minus, it should be there. Okay, just like this, we can see that it's a polynomial. Okay. Now, this power exponent is called exponent, and in a polynomial, the exponent has to be non-negative integer. So if you see this example, 2x to the power 4 minus 5x square plus 3x minus 7. So here, see the term 2x to the power 4. In term 2x to the power 4, the coefficient is plus 2. Okay? And the exponent of the variable is 4. Okay? Similarly, the second term, minus 5x square. Here, the coefficient is minus 5 and the exponent is 2. Similarly, next term, plus 3x. So, constant term or coefficient term, we can say that plus 3. And exponent is called 1. And in the last term, minus 7. Minus 7 can be written as minus 7x to the power 0. Because we know anything to the power 0, value is 1. Okay. So, x to the power 0, value is 1. So, we can write minus 7 as minus 7x to the power 0. So, we can see that the coefficient term is minus 7 and the variable exponent is 0. Okay. So this is our polynomial. Now we can see that, suppose if I write 2x to the power 3 plus 9, is it a polynomial? Yes, because here x power is 3, here x power is 0. So 3, 0, these are all non-negative integers. So we can say that it's a polynomial. Okay. Similarly, if we write 2x to the power minus 2 plus 9x square, is it a polynomial? No, because here see the power. It is not a non-negative integer. It's a negative number. So we can say that it is not a polynomial. If we write, suppose if we write x plus 1 by x, is it a polynomial? See, x, we can write x, 1 by x, we can write x to the power minus 1. So here x power is 1. So it's okay, but here it is not okay, because the power is negative. It should be non-negative integer. So this is also not a polynomial. If we write, suppose I have a number root over x plus 3. Okay, root over x plus 3. We can write root over x or square root of x as x to the power 1 by 2 plus 3. So 1 by 2 is a positive number. It's not a negative number. It's a non-negative number. But it is not an integer. It should be non-negative integer. So also non-negative, also integer. But here it is non-negative, but it is not an integer. So we can say that it is not also a polynomial. Similarly, we can say that cube root of y plus 2. Similarly, we can write y to the power 1 by 3 plus 2. It is also not a non-negative integer. So we can say that it is not a polynomial. Understand? So what do you mean by zero polynomial? See, these are very important questions. What do you mean by zero polynomial? The constant polynomial 0 is called the zero polynomial. Okay? Suppose is if we have a number 2, it is a polynomial. Yes, it is a polynomial because it is called constant polynomial, and constant polynomial 0 is called zero polynomial. Understand? Now, if we ask what is the degree of a non-zero constant polynomial, the degree of a non-zero constant polynomial is always 0. Okay? The degree of a non-zero constant polynomial is always 0. Understand? And if we ask, what do you mean by zero polynomial? Zero polynomial means it is denoted by 0. And what should be the degree? Okay, before that we should go to degree. Let's start with degree. What do you mean by degree? Suppose it is a constant polynomial, or we can say that it's only one term is there. So its degree is 0. Here 2 terms is there. But what is the meaning of degree? Degree means it is having the greatest exponent in one particular term. In one particular term, greatest exponent. See, here power is 1. Here power is 0. So 1 and 0. Which one is greater? 1. So degree is 1. See here 2, 1, 0. Which one is greater? 2. That is why degree is 2. Here power is 3. Here power is 2. Which one is greater? 3. So we can write 3. Now, here power is 2 and 3. Here power is 4. Here power is 1. Which one is greater? 4. But what Sir told before, in one particular term, what should be the total number of exponent? See, if we add here in this particular term, if we add the exponent, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Here only 4. Here only 1. So 5, 4, 1. Which one is greater? 5. That is why the degree of the last polynomial is 5, not 4. Okay. So we have to think, suppose if we ask 5x cube plus 9x square, what will be the degree? What will be the degree? It is very easy because here power is 3, here power is 2. Highest is 3. So degree is 3. So if we ask 5xy square plus 9x plus 3x cube y cube plus 4x cube x to the power 4, sorry, 4x to the power 5 y. So what should be the degree? Here if you add 1, 2, so 1 plus 2, here we got 3. Here only 1, so we got 1. Okay. Here we got 3 plus 3, here we got 6. Here we got 5 plus 1, that means 6. So what will be the maximum? 3, 1, 6, 6. So here degree is 6. Did you understand the meaning of degree? So what will be the degree of zero polynomial? The degree of zero polynomial is not defined. The degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Understand? Very good. Now we are going to see what are the types of polynomial. Types of polynomial can be differentiated by two things. One is number of terms. One is number of what will be the degree. Here, see this. Here only one term is there. Here only one term is there. Here only one term is there. So these are called monomial. Here one term, two term. Two terms is there. One term, two term. one term, two term. So these are called binomials. Here one term, two term, three term, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we can say that these are trinomials. Whatever may be the terms, many terms, more than three terms, or whatever may be the terms, these all are called polynomials. Okay. Now if you differentiate it by degree, see, here suppose what will be the variable, if y to the power 0, x to the power 0, this all value is 1, so it is not written. So here the degree are 0. Understand? Because it's a constant polynomial. If it is a linear polynomial, that means degree is 1. See, x to the power 1, 8, x to the power 0. So degree is 1. Here also x to the power 1. See here, x to the power 2, x to the power 1, x to the power 0. What is the highest? 2. So here it is degree 2. Here 3. Here also 3, 1, 0. Highest is 3. So here degree is 3. So degree 0 means it's a constant polynomial. Degree 1 means linear polynomial. Degree 2 is quadratic polynomial. Degree 3 is cubic polynomial. Similarly, degree 4 means biquadratic polynomial, and so on. Understand? These are the types of polynomial by degree. Understand? So if I ask you, suppose if I give you one question, 2 plus x square plus x, what is the coefficient of x square in this question? Coefficient of x square is 1, because nothing is multiplied here. If 1 is multiplied here, it will be same. So coefficient is 1. So answer is 1. Understand? We are solving 2.1 questions like that. Suppose if we ask, what will be the degree of 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Here power is 3, here power is 2, here power is 1. So which one is greater? So 3 is greater. So degree is 3. Understand? Suppose you know already what is the meaning of linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. Let's start with new thing. What is the meaning of zeros of a polynomial? Zeros of a polynomial. It's a very important thing. Zeros of a polynomial means what should be the value of the variable in the question. Variable means x, y, z, whatever. What should be the value of that variable so that the expression will give the answer as 0. How to solve? Let's see. Suppose I have a question, 5x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. So what will be the 0 so that the answer is 0? So what will be the value of x so that the answer is 0? Understand? So whatever you want, take x equals to 1. If we take x equals to 1, the answer will be 5 into 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 minus 2. 5 into 1 cube means 1. So 5 ones are 5 minus 2 plus 3 minus 2. So 5 plus 3, 8. 8 minus 2, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. So answer is 4. Answer is not equals to 0. Not equals to 0. So we can say that 1 is not a 0 of this polynomial. Understand? So whatever may be the answer, the value is 0 means it should be the 0 of the polynomial. Suppose if I have a number, x square, if I have a polynomial x square minus 2x. Okay, so take x equals to suppose 2. X equals to 2. So 2 square minus 2 into 2. So 2 square means 4. 2 into 2 means 4. See here the answer is 0. So we can say that x equals to 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. If we take x value is 2, then the answer is 0. So this is called 0 of a polynomial. Understand? So then what is the meaning of value of a polynomial? Suppose I have a question. Suppose px is equal to x minus 1, x plus 1. So we have to find p2. p2 means value of x is 2. So take x equals to 2. 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1 into 2 plus 1, 3. So answer is 3. So this is called value of a polynomial. Understand? So if you ask, verify if it is a polynomial, 0 is not or not. See, suppose px is equal to 3x plus 1. Check x equals to minus 3 is 0 or not. So take value x equals to minus 1 by 3. Take value x equals to minus 1 by 3. So p minus 1 by 3. Take value 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. 3 cancel. So minus 1 plus 1. 0. Yes, we got 0. So we can say that x equals to minus 1 by 3 is the 0 of this polynomial. Understand? Today up to this. Next day we will again revise the remaining parts of the chapter. Thank you.